What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Swab, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami. And that's on what? Period. So, yeah, I know I've been going for a long time, and the last time I said I wasn't gonna be going for a long time anymore. But I've been so busy. Like, if you keep up with me on Instagram, you know that I'm starting my fashion line called Suave Label. And today I'm doing the photo shoot. I'm having 2 photo shoots. So today is Friday. I have my first photo shoot indoors. And then tomorrow, Saturday, I have my second photo shoot, which will be outdoors on South Beach. I have a model, 2 photographers, everything. I can't wait for y'all to just see the, like, final product, I guess you would say. So...
No.
My sister has a new bonnet, y'all. So yeah, y'all gonna see the final product. By the time this come out, the pieces should have already dropped. So make sure you follow Suave Label on Instagram. Make sure you keep up with my real Instagram, Kim Suave. And yeah, just stay tuned for everything. I think y'all really gonna like this. So let's go. So y'all, we just got to the studio, as y'all can see. And Maya, which is my model, she's in. I think she's in the bathroom right now changing. So, period. Oh, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all her shoes. Wait, here's Maya. And here's the shoes.
Turn around.
You could never, even if you tried.
Even if you tried. Oh my god! Wow.
This. And that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow at the outside shoot. So bye. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. We on our way to South Beach so we can do the second photo shoot. Yesterday we had the first photo shoot, which was indoor. I'm excited, but I'm like talking like slowly because I'm, how do you say, tired? So yeah, I'm gonna get more, like, as the day get going, I'm gonna get more enthusiasm in my body. But I had to stay up late because today, last night I finished all the size small bathing suits. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the cutouts for the mediums, and then I'm gonna try to finish the medium bottoms, and then I'll do the medium tops tomorrow as well. So by Sunday this weekend I want to be done. I'm gonna have all my smalls and all my mediums done, and then as we get into Monday going into the next week, I'll have all the largest done. So then everything will be ready for the launch on my birthday, August 19th. Leo Nation, don't let a Leo put her mind and do something for real, because it's gonna go crazy. Leos are detail oriented, fashionable, and that girl, and that's on period. But anyway, so yeah, y'all, I'm waiting on my sister to get ready now. I was gonna call my cousin Kamisha to come as well, so we could go to Aventura Mall after, so she can get something to wear for my launch party. It's like I'm having a birthday brunch since launch party, so let's go get into that, and I'll catch y'all at South Beach. Yo, what's up, Lil Bo?
Yeah, girl.
Hey, not